Hi guys, we got about another 3-4 inches of snow overnight. We fortunately didn't get the 10 inches all at once they were talking about. Nevertheless, kind of run out of room where to push this. So yesterday I cleared out spots out front, off the side of the drive, pushed the snow about 2 to 3 feet off the edge of the driveway. So I'm going to push the rest of the snow up towards that area and deposit it there. I've dumped some back here where I can, and so now I'm going to take care of the front. Thanks for watching.